successive differentiation. If y is equal to fx is a function of x, the successive differential differential coefficients of fx are dy over dx, d2 by upon dx2, d cube by upon dx cube, and dot dot dn by upon dxn. These are also denoted by by 1, by 2, by 3, dot dot by n, and by dash, by double dash, by triple dash, dot dot by n. And third part here, d by, d2 by, d3 by, and dot dot dn by. And fourth is f dash x, f double dash x, and dot dot fn x. And fifth is f1x, f2x, f3x, and dot dot. Now standard result for the nth derivative. Standard results for nth derivative. Let y is equal to x power m. We will find here another derivative for y is equal to x power m. For first derivative, it means by 1 equal to m x raised to power m minus 1. Similarly, by 2 is equal to m minus 1 x raised to power m minus 1. And by 3 is equal to m minus 1 m minus 2 x raised to power m minus 3. Similarly, by n, it means nth derivative by n equal to m minus 1, m minus 2, and dot dot m minus n plus 1 into x raised to power m minus n. This is the nth derivative. And if m is equal to n, then by n equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot n minus n plus 1 x raised to power m minus n is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot 1 into x raised to power 0 is equal to written as n factorial. It means dn x raised to power n is equal to n factorial. This is the standard identity, and here by n is equal to this. Now let y is equal to ax plus b raised to power m. By 1, first derivative differentiate with respect to x, m into ax plus b raised to power m minus 1 into ax का differentiation a. Okay, and now again differentiate with respect to x. By 2 is equal to m minus 1 ax plus b raised to power m minus 2 into a square, and by 3 is equal to m minus 1, m minus 2 ax plus b raised to power m minus 3 into a cube. Similarly, nth derivative. Similarly, by n equal to m minus 1, m minus 2, and dot m minus n plus 1 ax plus b raised to power m minus n into a की power n implies that dn ax plus b raised to power m is equal to m minus 1 dot m minus n plus 1 ax plus b raised to power m minus n into a की power n. If this is the identity, if m is equal to minus 1, then dn by is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 dot minus 1 minus n plus 1 a raised to power n ax plus b raised to power minus 1 minus n is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and dot 1 minus n a raised to power n ax plus b raised to power minus n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to power n 1 2 3 dot n a raised to power n ax plus b raised to power minus n minus 1 is equal to, अब देखिए माइनस 1 माइनस 2 माइनस 3 डॉट माइनस n, ये n टाइम्स है तो इसलिए माइनस 1 की पावर n और 1 2 3 डॉट n इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 की पावर n, और यहाँ पे ये 1 2 3 डॉट n है, इसको हम n फैक्टोरियल ले सकते हैं, n फैक्टोरियल a की पावर n हियर ax प्लस b रेज्ड टू पावर माइनस n माइनस 1. इसको हम इस तरीके से अरेंज कर सकते हैं, माइनस 1 की पावर n फैक्टोरियल a की पावर n अपान ax प्लस b रेज्ड टू पावर n प्लस 1. ये dn बाई की आइडेंटिटी मिलती है हमें कि dn ax प्लस b रेज्ड टू पावर माइनस 1 इक्वल टू माइनस 1 की पावर n फैक्टोरियल a की पावर n और अपान में ax प्लस b रेज्ड टू पावर n प्लस 1. This is the important identity here. Now, if y is equal to third identity, I mean let y is equal to log ax plus b, we will find the another derivative of this function. Firstly, we find the first derivative, I mean y1, differentiate log तो 1 upon ax plus b, और ax means a. Again differentiate, I mean second derivative by 2, तो minus 1 upon ax plus b raised to power minus 2 raised to power 2 into a square. Again differentiate, I mean third derivative, minus 1 minus 2 upon ax plus b raised to power 3 into a cube. Similarly, another derivative, nth means by n, another derivative by n, minus 1 minus 2 dot minus n minus 1. देखिए यहाँ पे हमने बाई 3 लिखते हैं तो माइनस 1 माइनस 2 तक है, जब बाई n लिखेंगे तो यहाँ पे माइनस n माइनस 1 तक जाएगा, एंड टोटल अपॉन ax प्लस b रेज्ड टू पावर n इंटू a की पावर n implies that by n is equal to minus 1 minus 2 dot minus n minus 1. It means here I have n minus 1 term, so we write minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 2 and dot n minus 1, and total upon ax plus b raised to power n into a की power n is equal to minus 1 की power n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial a की power n और upon ax plus b raised to power n. It means dn log ax plus b is equal to minus 1 की power n minus 1 factorial a की power n upon ax plus b raised to power n. This is the standard identity for the function log ax plus b. I mean nth derivative of log ax plus b. Now next one, I mean fourth, if function here y is equal to e raised to power mx, a raised to power mx, so we will find the first derivative, I mean y1 is equal to a की power mx into log a, और mx means m. Again differentiate by 2 is equal to a raised to power mx. We will get log a again, log a raised to power 2 and m square. Similarly third derivative by 3 a raised to power mx log a raised to power 3 and m raised to power 3. Similarly we can write nth derivative. Similarly by n is equal to a raised to power mx, here log a raised to power n and m raised to power n. So implies that m raised to power n or log a raised to power m, a raised to power mx, implies that dn a raised to power mx equal to m की power n log e raised to power m or a raised to power mx. This is the another derivative for the function y is equal to a की power mx. Nice. If m is equal to 1, so by n is equal to dn a की power x only, m raised to 1 and m की power 1 की power n, sorry 1 की power n log e raised to power n और a की power n x, a की power x. Here is log a की power n is equal to a की power x और log e raised to power n. So implies that dn a की power ax is equal to a की power ax log e a raised to power n. Next one, if let y is equal to e की power ax. So firstly we find the first derivative y1 differentiate with respect to x, e की power ax into a, and second derivative by 2 is equal to e की power ax into a square. Third derivative by 3 e की power ax into a की power 3. Similarly by n is equal to a की power n और e की power ax, e की power ax, e की power ax. So implies that dn e की power ax is equal to a की power n e की power ax, e की power ax. And next one, let 6 is let y is equal to sin ax plus b. First derivative for y1 equal to sin means differential of sin is cos, तो cos ax plus b और ax plus b का a, and arrange this like as we convert cos in sin like as sin pi by 2 plus ax plus b. Now differentiate it for the second derivative. So by 2 is equal to a square, sin means cos पाई बाई टू ए एक्स प्लस बी, और ए एक्स प्लस बी का एक यहाँ पे ए स्क्वायर हो गया। एंड नाउ बाई थ्री, आई मीन थर्ड डेरिवेटिव, बाई थ्री इज इक्वल टू, इसको हम लोग पहले अरेंज कर लेंगे, ए स्क्वायर साइन पाई बाई टू एंड प्लस पाई बाई टू एंड प्लस ए एक्स प्लस बी। नाउ डिफरेंशिएटेड बाई थ्री इज इक्वल टू, it becomes a cube, sin means cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2, it means 2 pi upon 2, 2 pi upon 2 and plus ax plus b. So, by 3 is equal to a cube cos 2 pi upon 2 and plus ax plus b is equal to a cube sin pi by 2 and plus 2 पाई अपॉन 2 और प्लस ए एक्स प्लस बी। ये कॉस को साइन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए पाई बाई 2 प्लस थीटा मैंने किया है। ए क्यूब साइन पाई बाई 2 प्लस 2 पाई बाई 2, इट मीन्स इट बिकम्स 3 पाई अपॉन 2 प्लस ए एक्स प्लस बी। सिमिलरली बाई एन इक्वल टू, बाई एन मीन्स dn sin ax plus b is equal to a की पावर n and sin ax plus b and plus n पाई अपॉन 2। देखिए यहाँ पे जब थर्ड डेरिवेटिव ने फाइंड किया तो 3 पाई अपॉन 2 था, सेकंड किया था तो 2 पाई अपॉन 2 था, फर्स्ट किया तो पाई अपॉन 2 था। तो फर्स्ट में पाई अपॉन 2, सेकंड में 2 पाई अपॉन 2, थर्ड में 3 पाई बाई 2। इसी तरीके जब nth निकालेंगे तो यहाँ पे हम n पाई बाई 2 लिखेंगे। तो ये dn sin ax plus b is equal to, it means nth derivative of sin ax plus b is equal to a raised to power n sin ax plus b plus n pi by 2। सिमिलरली देखो हम cos का भी ले सकते हैं। सिमिलरली dn cos ax plus b is equal to a की पावर n, here cos ax plus b और plus n pi upon 2। This is the derivative for cos x plus b, I mean nth derivative. And next one, seventh, if function is y is equal to e की power ax into sin bx plus c. So for the first derivative, I mean y1, we differentiate it by part. First function e की power ax, differentiation of sin means cos bx प्लस c और bx का b, फिर प्लस फर्स्ट फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन e की पावर ax और इंटू a साइन bx प्लस c। e की पावर x इज कॉमन फ्रॉम बोथ द टर्म्स, वी राइट आउटसाइड e की पावर ax b cos bx प्लस c और प्लस a साइन bx प्लस c। Next step is equal to, now putting here, putting a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta, squaring and adding these implies that a square plus b square is equal to r square, और यहाँ पे sin square theta plus cos square theta, it means r square। Therefore, implies that r square equal to a square plus b square, and tan theta divided second by first, tan theta is equal to b upon a। ये tan theta की वैल्यू है, यहाँ पे r स्क्वायर की वैल्यू है। Therefore, y1 becomes y1 equal to e की power ax, put the value of b here, b means r sin theta, here cos bx plus c and plus a means r cos theta, तो ये हो गया r cos theta और ये sin bx plus c इज इक्वल टू e की पावर ax इंटू r। इसको हमें अरेंज करना है, तो साइन ने cos b और प्लस cos A sin B, sin A plus B की आइडेंटिटी sin A bx plus C plus theta. So similarly we can write the second derivative. Similarly by 2 is equal to e raised to power ax, e r square हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे sin bx plus c और plus theta के स्थान पर 2 theta हो जाएगा. Now similarly we can write the nth derivative. Similarly we can write the nth derivative, I mean by n equal to e की power ax r raised to power n और यहाँ पे हो गया sin bx plus c और plus n theta implies that dn e की power ax into sin bx plus c is equal to e की power ax r power n sin bx plus c and plus n theta, where theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a. From here b upon a, theta is equal to, and r equal to root a square plus b square. From here r square equal to a square plus b square, so r equal to root a square plus b square. Now last identity here, eighth, I mean if function is let y is equal to e की power ax cos bx plus c. So similarly we can write the another derivative. Similarly we can write dn equal to e की power ax b की power n, सॉरी r की पावर n और यहाँ पे हो गया cos bx plus c plus n theta, where this is by n, where theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a and r square equal to a square plus b square. These are the standard identities for finding the nth derivative. Thank you.